Hi everybody, Dave here for Dave's WordPress. In fact, I am Dave. And I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the Quickstart kit, why you would consider to use it, and what the benefit is. Well, I can't really tell you that there's anything super special about the Quickstart kits that you can't do for yourself, except that using my Quickstart kit will save you easily an hour or more of your time. And I only charge an introductory price of $10. So for $10, here's what you get. You get a custom installer for the Quickstart kit. I encourage you to watch the video below about how easy it is to install our Quickstart kit. And then you get all of these configured or pre-configured plugins that are ready to go. All you need to do is activate and do a little further configuration on some of them based on how you want them to work. I have a video library at the bottom that explains each and one of these plugins, not in super detail, but enough detail to get you to understand what to do, how to use it, why you would use it. And so I encourage you to go through the entire video library before making a purchase. The key though is you can go ahead and install WordPress natively the way you normally would, and then go and install all of these plugins one by one. That'll take you probably about an hour. And if you don't know which plugins to use to accomplish a goal, then you're going to have to do lots and lots of research. That can take hours. I can tell you alone, I compared a lot of different plugins myself in preparing to create this entire service and site. And I spent many hours, in fact days, looking, and I still do, constant research, trying to figure out what's the best bang for the buck for free plugins with the opportunity to expand to a paid version and get additional used features. So in the Quickstart kit, I tried to essentially build out a Quickstart kit that would be applicable to everybody. We cover things categorically from security to productivity and performance, special use, we've got memberships, and of course we have e-commerce. Just about any and everything that you would want to do with a WordPress website. It is already ready to go for you to configure. Now you can delete all of these plugins. I encourage you to delete the ones that you don't use because you want to lessen the footprint, but nonetheless, $10. The license lets you install it as many times as you want, and every single month I'll be running updates on the template. And so if you want, you can go ahead and just purchase a $10 package now and install it and use it. Now this is for new websites. I should have said that from the onset. If you have an existing site, this is not going to help you much with it. But how you can use this page for free, the information is free. Look over the plugins that we're using and see if it's a plugin that you would like to use in your existing site. So there's value for folks that already have a site. And again, you won't have to pay anything because you'll just have to do all of this manually. But if you're starting a site from scratch, then I highly encourage you to save an hour or more. Pay the introductory $10 price to get it. Again, install it as many times on as many sites as you want. And again, every month I will be updating the base of this. Now the difference in the three prices, you've got Divi, Elementor, and WordPress. All three variations of these have all of these plugins installed and ready to go. The difference is the page builder. Divi is by Elegant Themes, and it is a fantastic page builder. It's actually one of my favorites. Elementor is another favorite, very popular page builder out there. And of course, then you have the native built-in Gutenberg. And we'll show you what this looks like. So here is the Dave's WordPress Quickstart kit in the Divi builder. You see the Divi logo at the top. This one over here is the one with Elementor, and you can see the Elementor page builder here. And this one is just the generic, out of the box, no page builder, Gutenberg, latest WordPress 5.x page builder, and you just go in and choose edit your page there. So you pick which page builder you want in your Quickstart kit, whether it's Divi or Elementor, or you just want to use the native WordPress. You'll just click the button, make the purchase, download it, and then watch the how to install your Quickstart kit, and then you're up and running, and then watch the various videos on each one of the plugins, and hopefully this will bring a lot of value to you for very, very little money and save you a bunch of time in researching as well as getting things set up and ready to go. That's it for this video. We'll hopefully see you in the next or future videos. I'm Dave. Have a great day.